Dear students, welcome to online class. I am Muhammad Shalam, BC General Education, lecturer in English, Dhamrai Government College. In first class, I have discussed about the four skills of English language. If you want to learn English well, you must practice all these skills. Today, our topic is syllabus for the students of intermediate students. Especially, I will discuss the syllabus of first paper. This is your first paper EFT book, English textbook for the students of 2021 session. This is new cover for the first year book. You can purchase from the library, and you should do it very soon because your academic year has been started. If you do not study, then you will lag behind. Okay, now I am discussing the syllabus. English syllabus. First of all, I would like to discuss about English first paper syllabus. There are two parts in English first paper. Part 1 reading 60 marks and part 2 writing 40 marks. English second paper, part A grammar 60 marks, part B composition 40 marks, 200 marks. There will be 200 marks examination at the end of your academic session, so you must take care from the very beginning to have a good score. This is marks distribution for English first paper. I will basically discuss about this first paper syllabus and marks distribution. Marks distribution, part 1 reading test 60 marks. In question number 1 there will be 5 multiple choice question and 5 question answers based on your passage of the first paper textbook. The question will be set from the first paper passage. The passage will be taken from the first paper. Question number 2. Flowchart. This is very new thing for you. Flowchart. There will be 5 points to be written. You will have to write down 5 points in boxes. That is called flowchart. Whenever I will discuss about the topic flowchart, then I will show you how to write down flowchart and how to answer it. Today just I am giving a brief view about the marks distribution system and how the question will be set. Flowchart will be based on a passage. There will be a passage from your EFT book, English first paper textbook, and you will have to write down 5 points The question will be like that: read the following text and make a flowchart showing the specialities of Gazipir, and there will be in bracket one is done for you. It means that there will be a passage based on your first paper passage, and question will be like in this way, and you will have to write down uh, 5 points in boxes. That is very important, and this thing is very critical one also, because before SSC level you have not practiced it, and this is there will be two things to be remembered here. One is you must sort out the points. Secondly, you will have to arrange the points in serially according to the text. It means which things has been discussed uh, at the beginning and which thing has been discussed at the end. You have to maintain the serial of the causes or the qualities or the problems what will be asked, and you will have to answer like this. Question number 3, summarizing passage. You will have to summarize the passage. The question will be like that: summarize the following text. It means that there will be a text, there will be a passage from first paper EFT book, and you will have to summarize it. This thing is very known to you because you have practiced in your SSC level summarizing. You have practiced summarizing, but here you will have to remember summarizing a little bit difficult one, because you will have to write down the summary in your own words with using synonymous and antonyms. Otherwise, if you only write down the textual or passage words or sentences from the passage, then you will get very poor marks. So we will have to study the passage very well, and then you will have to write down the summary by your own words. Remember this, then you will do better. Question number 4. This is a very common thing. Fill in the blanks with clause. There will be 5 clause, and you will have to there will be 10 more than 10 words in the boxes of the fill in the blanks, and you will have to fill in the blanks with suitable words, and you will have to change change the word if necessary. It means that you will have to change into noun, verb, adjective, or you will have to use ing form, or you will have to add s or es at the end of the verb. So these things are very important, and this passage is very you need good stock of vocabulary, and you should have proper knowledge on tense. Then you will be able to answer question number 4. The question will be like that: read the following text and fill in the blanks with suitable word from the box. There are more words than needed. Make any grammatical change if necessary. I am repeating: read the following text and fill in the blanks with suitable word from the box. There are more words than needed. Make any grammatical changes if necessary. So there will be 12 or 14 words in the boxes, and there will be 10 gaps, and you will have to fill up the blanks with suitable word suitable words. Okay. Now coming to the question number 5. This is same thing as question number 4, but this is more difficult, and it is the one of the difficult item of English first paper. Fill in the blanks without clause. Or there will be no words in the boxes. There will be only 10 gaps in your context, and you will have to fill up the blanks with suitable words, and you must maintain the sequence and context of the passage. Then you will be able to write down the answer. These things is very critical, because if you don't have enough vocabulary, then you will not be able to answer properly. So you must learn the vocabulary wherever or whenever you are studying an English passage or paragraph or letter or composition, whatever you study, you must learn the writing part or question answer, understanding the meaning in Bangla and understanding it in English properly. Then you will be able to answer, fill in the blanks without clues. Without clues, there will be no clue. So the question will be like that: fill in the gaps using suitable words. Just this will be written in question number 5. Fill in the gaps using suitable words. Question number 5 is over. Question number 6. This will be the part of question number 6. Rearranging. Rearranging will be the part of. Sorry, I have mistakenly put it under writing. No, this is question number 6 will be under reading test. There will be rearranging sentences. You have practiced it in your SSC level, so these things is no difference, but the topics and the content will be different from SSC level and a little bit more difficult. These things should be noted. Now I am coming to the writing part. Writing part covers paragraph writing, completing a story, email writing, describing, rearrange will be here. This 6 item will be under reading test, rearrange, up to rearrange, and writing will be from the paragraph writing. You will have to write a paragraph. There will be the question will be like that: write a paragraph on 4 adulteration on the basis of the answers to the following questions in about 200 words. So paragraph will be little bit different from SSC level. So you will have to write down this paragraph very carefully. Now question number 8, completing a story. Possibly these things is very new to you. There was no completing story in your SSC level, so you will have to complete the story. Completing a story, there will be a story given in incomplete way, and you will have to complete it using your own words. The question will be like this: the following is the beginning of a story, complete it in your own words. Okay. Suppose once an ant was very thirsty. He went to a river to drink water. When he began to drink water, a wave dashed. Then you will have to fill up the story. Sorry. Then you will have to complete the story, and sometimes you will be asked to give a title or moral of the story. Question 9, email writing. This things also very common to you. You are practicing email writing from class 7. So, but you must remember, if you write email like your 7 or JSC or SSC standard, if your vocabulary and word selection are not different from your SSC level or JSC level, then you will not get good marks. Question number 10, describing graph chart. This things is not new to you. You have practiced it in your SSC level, but you must remember all the writing items should be in developed form than your SSC level. Then you can get good marks. Question number 11, writing theme or summary of a poem. This is very new thing, and there was no poem writing theme of summary or poem up to your SSC level, but you will have to now write the summary or theme of an English poem. The poem will be possibly in syllabus or out of syllabus, I mean out of EFT book. It might be set from your textbook, or it might be set from the out of the textbook. You must at least study 20 to 30 poem for this writing theme or summary, and you should learn the vocabulary, and you should study the poem very carefully and understanding it clearly in Bangla and English. Then you will be able to write a theme or summary of a poem, and there will be marks 8. This altogether total 100 marks for your English first paper. Next day I will discuss inshallah English second paper marks distribution and how to do well in English second paper. Above all, I can say that if you want to do well in English first paper, first of all you will have to study the EFT book very well, because reading test 60 marks basically based on your English first paper EFT book. 30 marks will be directly set from your English first paper EFT book. Question number 1, 2 and 3 directly. In some cases question number 4 and 5 will be set from your EFT. In some cases we also find that rearranging sentences also set from your EFT book. So this 60 marks is very important. If you want to get good marks, then there is no alternative of studying English first paper very well. Studying means you have to learn vocabulary, tense and passage very well, and you have to there is a crack item here, question answer, answering question. In this case we find that maximum students cannot write answer accordingly. Very often we find that they have written the answer, only they have given the sentences as it is in their text. If you write, if you cannot change the sentences, if you cannot change the word and sentence pattern to answer question, then you will not get 10 in 10. You get 3 to 4 or 5 marks in your answering question. So these things is very critical. Flow chart is also very important. Whenever I will discuss flow chart, then I will talk about details of flow chart. And writing, for doing better in writing test, you must write any topic daily, then you will be able to do good in writing. But that's all for today. Thank you. Thank you. Have a nice time.